So this is, guys, after 20 minutes of on a medium flame, our best zucchini curry is getting on point. Wow. We will add some parsley, or you can add some cilantro, but I suggest parsley tastes much better than the cilantro. So add some chopped parsley, give it a stir. So here, guys, we will cover it with the lid again and cook it for another 15 minutes. So the last 15 minutes. Oh my. Our curry is on point, guys. Yes. It's all done. It's all sizzled. It's all a jello kind curry. Turn off the stove. Right? You guys see? Take a look here. This is our zucchini. Just with a normal press, the zucchini is perfectly done. This is our white rice. So this recipe is dedicated towards the white rice. We will put the white rice right here. The stove is off. Zucchini curry is ready. Oh my god. This is the pool, the curry pool of vegetable, you know. So it's a pool of vegetable zucchini curry. So a tray of white rice. I'll just land the zucchini right in there. It looks so beautiful, right? The size of zucchini and the aroma of the curry. Okay, let me dish out some our curry sauces right on top of it. Here you go. This is all fresh. It's all homemade. So butane torch, right? We'll give a little bit char to our zucchini, right on point. It will create a smoky flavor for the zucchini and for the curry all at once. So it will be like this whole curry is made on the charcoal, but in reality you pan fried this zucchini curry. It's all done. So here you go, guys. This is the perfect smoky zucchini curry ever you can make in your kitchen. Alright, so this is the moment of truth, guys. The zucchini is all the way done. Oh wow, it's like a jello of the vegetable, and it has the curry flavor. Very easy, simple recipe, guys. Do try it. Do make this recipe. Let me take a bite. It's so soft, it's just like getting out of my fork. This is the first bite. Oh, it's coming all the way. Alright, here you go. It melts in your mouth. cumin, paprika, garlic powder, Himalayan salt, vegetable oil, and the bhutan torch. Fresh tomatoes, fresh onions. Oh wow. Oh yum. Let me try this thick curry with it. So this is the thick curry on top. There you go. The best ever zucchini curry you can make in your own kitchen. Smoke it with some bhutan torch. Put some these ingredients, what I shared with you guys. You'll be amazed with the recipe, with the ingredients, and with the taste, and it's all vegetarian. Do subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. On the next week, I'm traveling to South Asia, and I'll be sharing South Asian street chefs food, so it's gonna be street chefs food of South Asia. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.